A new keyboard for the C64 is finally coming, and it's a mechanical keyboard, and it's designed and created by the guys of CBM Stuff, which also brought us the keycaps for the C64. The campaign is currently running. It's May 13th, 2024, and actually we are standing at around $62,000 raised. And this is not just the keys, this is a complete keyboard which is with mechanical key switches. You can see it here, and it has a controller board. And there are two versions of this. The first is the basic kit, which just has a simple controller board, and you have the super kit, which has a controller board which you can actually put stuff into memory, like macros and stuff like that. So check it out, link in the description below.